Mauritius said Thursday it was considering court action to force the United Kingdom to hand back Chagos Island. Prime Minister Navin Ramgoolam said London was delaying ratification of the deal that would see the territory, home to a strategically important naval and bomber base, revert to Port Louis. Under the agreement, the UK will pay Mauritius over £100 million a year to lease back the base for at least 99 years. The island has been under British control since 1814. Britain evicted as many as 2,000 people from the islands in the 1960s and 1970s so the US military could build the Diego Garcia base. The United Nations has opposed the deal, saying the islands should return to the Chagosians, whom it considers the rightful owners of the land and not Port Louis. The UN says the agreement explicitly prevents Chagosians from returning to their ancestral homelands on Diego Garcia,